Standard 8 Subject Maths, Chapter number 12, Equation in one variable, Practice set 12.2, Question number 2. See the example. Solve the following equations. First equation is 17p minus 2 equal to 49. Here we have to calculate value of variable. Then here is the minus 2. Then we shift this 2 to right hand side. It becomes plus 2. Therefore, we get 17p equal to 49 plus 2. Then we get here 17p equal to 51. Then to find the value of this p, 17 is multiplying here. Then we take opposite operation. We divide this 17 to 51. Then we get here p equal to 51 upon 17. Here reason is adding plus 2 to RHS, dividing by 17. Then 51 upon 17 will get here 3. Then the solution is p equal to 3. Then next is 2m plus 7 equal to 9. First we have to shift this 7 to the right hand side. It becomes minus 7. 2m equal to 9 minus 7. Then we get 2m equal to 9 minus 7 is 2. To find out this value of m, we have to divide 2. Then we get here m equal to 2 upon 2. Then we get m equal to 1. Then see this equation. We first shift 2x to LHS and 12 to the RHS. That means xx term to the same side and the constant term to the same side. Then 3x minus 2x equal to minus 4 minus 12. Then 3x minus 2x will get here x equal to minus 4 and minus 12. It becomes minus 16. It is the solution of this equation. For this type of example, first we have to solve the bracket. That means we have to multiply this bracket by 5. Then we get 5x minus 15. First we multiply by x and then we multiply by 3. Equal to, similarly we solve this bracket, 3x plus 6. Then shifting of the term, x to this side and 15 to this side. Then 5x minus 3x equal to 6 plus 15. 5x minus 3x will get 2x equal to 21. Then to find out the value of this x, we have to divide right hand side by 2. Dividing by 2. Then we get x equal to 21 upon 2. Such a types of example. First we have to shift this 1 to the right hand side. Then 9x upon 8 equal to 10 minus 1. 9x upon 8 equal to 9. First we have to complete the operation of this 8. 8 is at the denominator. Then we shift here is at the numerator. Then 9x equal to 9 into 8. Multiplying by 8. 9x equal to 9 into 8 is 72. To find out value of this x, then we have to shift the 9 at the denominator. Therefore, x equal to 72 upon 9. 72 upon 9, that means x equal to 8. Then see such a types of example. Here to the both side there are the fraction term. It is the numerator, it is the denominator, it is the numerator, it is the denominator. First we take the cross multiplication. 7 into x minus 9 equal to 5 into x minus 5. Then we solve this bracket. 7x minus 63. 7 into 9 is 63 equal to 5x minus 25. Then we shift this xx term and the constant term to here. 7x minus 5x equal to minus 25 plus 63. That means 7x minus 5x will get 2 and 63 minus 25 we get here 38. Then x equal to 38 upon 2, then we get here 19. That means x equal to 19. See next example. First we remove this denominator, that means shifting here, it will get here into 4. b plus 1 plus b plus 2 equal to 21 into 4. Here this b and b will get 3b. 2 plus 1 here we get again 3 equal to 21 into 4. It is 64. Then 3b equal to 64 minus 3. Shifting of this 3. 3b equal to 61. Then b equal to 61 upon 3. It is the value of b. ही सगळी उदाहरणं समजावून घेऊन उरलेली उदाहरणं वहीमध्ये सोडवायची.